So pretty much the last part is to seal the radius edges. To do that, I'm using this ProFlex RV. This is actually labeled as a roof sealant thing, and it's paintable. It stays flexible. There's a very similar stuff to what Winnebago uses on their painted units. So I don't want to keep the nozzle too big because I'm going to have to jab this into the rail, kind of like a syringe, and then put it down there. This stuff is extremely messy and sticky, more like a tar. And then I like to use some soapy water to help smooth it out. So let's get on the roof and do this. Jam it in there and then squeeze it, and as it goes in, the roof radius is actually going to squeeze it out. Okay. Try to make it look good. As good as it can look. Alright, well that's it. I'm just going to do that for the entire length on both sides. I'll be using these exterior grade last screws. I like them. They're I guess number 8s. But what I do like is they have that washer head, which spreads out stress. That's what I really like about it. Makes a nice sealing surface too. So these are just 1 inch long. They're just wood screws. Like I said, they're only grabbing onto a tiny little bit of material. Believe it or not, the strongest thing that was mounted on this roof before was this TV antenna. That's because Winnebago knows when it's cranked up, it's going to be under a lot of stress laterally. So they used a lot, just really, all they used was silicone right here. That's why I know it works best on these Winnebago roofs. I actually had to rip off most of this roof right here in order to get the antenna off. So I've already laid out and marked out where that's going to be, so I'll just put the silicone in right there, put it on, and then screw it in place. In fact, I would guess, if you could see, that's all clear silicone right there.